this is my CS50AI problem set 5 traffic project. So I'll run the program while I explain, and yeah, while I go over the specifications. So first, it says that we should use the OpenCV module to read each image as a numpy array. So we see that right here where we read it using CV2 OpenCV. It also says we should return it as a tuple in the format images labels, which we see right here. It also says it should be platform independent, and it recommends using the os.path.join or the os.sep, which we do here. And moving on to the get model, we see that it says we should have num categories units, which we see here. It also says that we can experiment with different types and combinations of layers, which we see here. And we can also experiment with dropout. You also write a README here, which you guys can take a look at later. And now, all we have to do is wait for this to run. And while we're waiting, perhaps I can explain a little bit about my experimentation process with these combinations here. So I kind of experimented with it somewhat randomly, but then when I kind of experimented with different layers, I found something interesting, which was that at first I thought the more layers and units I used, the more efficient it would be. But I actually found that sometimes the simpler model performed better than the more sophisticated model. It also performed faster, which was quite surprising for me, since I thought, hey, if you put more units in, it should be more effective and better, right? Well, I guess I was wrong about that. And now we see it is running. So it is on the first epoch, and we can see the accuracy is not quite there, maybe only 0.12, and quite a big loss. But we'll see this improve as we run more epochs and go on. So we're at the second epoch now. And we see the accuracy is already improved quite drastically. We went from 2.998 to 1.2 for the loss, and now for accuracy wise, we're almost doubled. So we can see just by the second epoch, we can already see how much it's improved. Now it's just improving even more now, and we see the loss is also lowered. And there it is. So after running the final test, we see that the loss is 0.2829 with an accuracy of 0.94, 3 seconds per epoch, and 9 milliseconds per step. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.